So the main task here is going to be for Team 26, and our product is NestQuest.
So the problem that we wanted to solve for ecology and education is invasive house sparrows within the eastern United States. So house sparrows came over a long time ago and have been taking native bird species housing areas for a long time, and it resulted in a very hard decrease of native bluebird populations, which is still an issue to this day. Current solutions to solve this problem are very inhumane at times or often ineffective, and some of them are listed here.
So kind of our big thing for our project is our goal is to remove invasive house sparrows from our box nest. So the nest height is kind of the big indicator here. So if you notice, the house sparrow is a lot taller than the bluebird nest, and that's how we're detecting it. And we're using a camera to monitor as a secondary check. And kind of our big hitting point here is we're going to use a simple design constructed for K-12 students for educational outreach.
So for brainstorming, we were thinking of what to use for the floor mechanism and how to use the sensor.
So for the actual product, what we ended up doing is for detecting the nest, we had a photoresistor in the top above where a bluebird nest would be built. This here is us showing, putting a tissue over it to demonstrate how a nest would kind of be built on that area. And after a few seconds, the light will turn red, which will send a signal to the app and tell you that there is a house sparrow nest present.
And in this video, it shows live camera feed inside the bird box in which the eggs will be ejected.
So for our K-12 outreach kits, we're kind of trying to reach out to K-12 universities around the United States. So our big thing here is we have 3 different kits: high school, middle school, and elementary school. High school is the full build kit, middle school is the half build kit, and the elementary school is the low build version.
This is the hardware we used, and this is a wiring diagram we made.
So the next is going to be our app, which we use building base 44. So our key features that we have finished is the bird box status feature with drop warning protection, the detection log, and the why does this matter info section. The key features that are kind of still in progress due to time constraints are the camera to app integration as well as the other info sessions.
So we ran into a few technical challenges throughout this project, but our major one was the torque on the motor. We wanted to make the dropping mechanism of the nest automated, but we were unable to do that based on the torque in the motor. The camera connection was also an issue, so we had trouble connecting it to the secured Ohio State Wi-Fi, but we were able to overcome that, and time constraints didn't allow for us to integrate it into the app the way that we wanted to, but that's something we're working on. Photoresistor was very inconsistent based on the environment it was in, but we were able to fix that by providing a consistent light source within the actual bird box.
As for next steps, we want to create a wall mount for the box so users can place what they want. Install a better motor so it's more automated for the ejection. Get an SD card so that the users can see the live playback feed. Second to last is to get a VLM so it's to automate the invasive species. And last, just simplify the design for the K-12 users.